Yo guys, Demi here back with another tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a CSGO server. So, making a CSGO server, obviously you can make one and invite your friends, but this one is a dedicated server that you can install plugins on as well. So, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download a thing called Steam CMD, which is pretty much just what Steam made to allow people to get the files to make servers. So you need to download Steam CMD. There's the download link right here. I'll put this page in the description. And now you want to go ahead and create a folder anywhere. So I'll create it on my desktop, for example. Let me minimize Chrome or close it, So here I'm just gonna create a new folder. I'll go ahead and name it like CSGO. This doesn't really matter what you name it. Now I'll open that. I'll also open my downloads folder so that I can get the file that I just downloaded. So the file that I just downloaded, it's right here, steamcmd.zip. And now inside of it, there's a steamcmd.exe. You just want to go ahead and move that to your folder. And now you want to go ahead and double click on steamcmd to run it. And it's gonna download a few things and fill up this folder. Let's just let that go through really quickly. Alright, so it's done downloading. Now we want to type in these commands: force underscore install underscore dir, and then the directory you want to install it to, or at least where I want to install it to, is into my C drive, and put it into a folder called csgo-ds, and then put another /, and that'll make a backslash, that'll make a folder and install the files for your server into there. Now you want to log in as anonymous. You can log in with your account, but I just recommend logging in anonymously. Now it's gonna go ahead and log in. Once it's logged in, you want to go ahead and do app underscore update 740 validate. And now it's gonna go through the whole downloading process. This is gonna take quite a long time. So it's going to take even longer for me because I have slow internet, maybe an hour, but it might be quicker for you guys. So I'll get back to you once this is done downloading. After you've done that and it's finished installing, then you want to just go ahead and do app underscore update 740, and then you want to just exit out of your Steam CMD. Alright guys, so once you've installed your CSGO-ds, your CSGO server into the CSGO-ds folder, what you want to do is go to this link in the description, which is steamcommunity.com/dev/manage game servers. And here you want to create a game server token, but I actually got banned from making game server tokens because I had a server that didn't have plugins that were allowed, which, don't make the mistake that I did, it's just dumb. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. This is a video that Drama Llama made, so credit to him for this. So here is what it's gonna look like. You want to go ahead and type in 730 into this little box right here, and then the memo, you can name it anything, and then click the create button. And after you do that, it'll create your little Steam token right here, and you can and then you pretty much just, now you have your Steam token. You want to go ahead and copy that Steam token, and you want to go into your first of all, you want to right click on this. First thing you want to do is go to CSGO, go to CFG, and inside of here you want to create an autoexec.cfg file. So to do that, right click new, and then you want to do text document, and then you want to name it autoexec.cfg, and then hit yes. If you don't see file extensions, then just search up on Google how to see file extensions, and you'll be able to see the extension of this. So now we've created an autoexec.cfg. Now you want to go ahead and right click this, and then click you can just open it with anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it with the normal text viewer, which is Notepad. Hit OK, and inside of here you want to type in plus sv underscore set steam account, and then you want to do, and then here you want to put in whatever your the token you just copied was. So it can be really anything. So sv set steam account, right? And then you want to space and then type whatever your code was, you know. Like for example, if my code was this, then I type in this. Now you want to hit Control S to save and go ahead and exit this out. Now you want to back out of this and you want to find your srcds.exe. Inside of this, you want to right click and create shortcut. Let me find it real quick. Oh, here it is, the button. Create shortcut, and it will create a shortcut of it. Right on the shortcut, you want to right click, hit properties, and here where it says start in, you want to press space, and then from this list that I'm going to leave in the description, for example, where it says competitive, you want to copy whatever this says to get the competitive game mode. Now once you've got this, you want to just go ahead and copy whatever is here for the competitive game mode. Hover it and click Control C, and then where it says start in, no, where it says target, you want to press space and then paste that in. Now hit OK, and now you want to just go ahead and double click on this, and then it'll run through this whole thing. Hit allow access. Alright, obviously because mine wasn't a real token, it didn't say anything, but you know, for you guys it would make it so that it's not LAN only. So once you've done that, you want to just go ahead and open up CSGO, and actually before you open CSGO you have to quit out of this because you can't have CSGO and that srcds running at the same time. So first you want to open up Steam and give it a second to load, and then you want to go ahead and go to Counter-Strike Global Offensive, click play, and now once it's showing up on the taskbar, you can run this srcds. Alright, here you go. Now you just want to double click on the srcds.exe shortcut, and now you can go back to CSGO. Now once you're in CSGO, you want to just go up to play, browse community servers, okay, and then you want to go to LAN, and here you can see that I have my own server set up and we can connect to it. It's gonna load up the server right here, and it's on the map dust too because we set it to that. And so what I forgot to mention as well is that if you want it to be something else, you could right click properties and then right here change the map to anything. Like you could set it to Danuke or whatever you want to name it, so I'll just keep it at dust 2. So now we'll click continue there, and then let's go to terrorist side, and as you can see, wait, oh, I don't have a token, but for you guys it'll put you in the game and it'll let you play just like that. But other friends can't join this server because it's only a LAN server. So to actually get it so your friends can join the server, you need a port forward. And to port forward, you just want to go ahead and hit Windows key R, type in CMD, and type in IP config. In here, you'll see your IPv4 address. No, you'll see your default gateway right here in your Ethernet adapter or whatever yours looks like. And then you want to just go ahead and type that into your browser, 192.168.1.1. Username is admin, password is password by default. Now you just want to go to your advanced setup, port forwarding / port triggering, and then you want to add custom service. And now in here, on TCP / UDP, you want to port forward to 27015, and also for the starting port and ending port 27015. And the service name, you can name it anything, I'll just name it CSGO. And your here, as you can see, my IPv4 address is 1.40 at the end, so we just want to click on this 1.40 dim, my computer name, and then it'll create the port. Now for your friends to actually join the server, you need to go to Google and type in what's my IP. Here it'll show your IP. I'll have it blurred out because I don't want to give out my IP. And so now you want to go back to CSGO. Let's just go ahead and disconnect from this server. Alright, so now whenever your friends want to join your server, they can go ahead and do connect, and then your IP, colon, 27015, and then you can send them this, so they can put it into their console and connect to your server, and also they can find it in the browse community servers section. But obviously mine, it'll work for you guys, but because I haven't set the Steam token, it won't work for me. But that's pretty much all you need to make a CSGO server. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, And if you have any issues, tell me below in the comments and I might be able to help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.